Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your workflow with Trello. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Trello account. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. Click on the Create New Board button to start a new project. Name your board relevant to the project you want to manage. Select a background color or image that suits your style. Next, create lists to represent different stages of your workflow. For example, you can label them as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Click the Add a List option to add your first category. Now, let's add cards to your list. Click on Add a Card under the To-Do list. Enter a descriptive title for your first task and hit Add Card. Once your card appears, click on it to open more options. In the card details, you can add a description, checklists, and due dates. Utilize the checklist feature to break down larger tasks into smaller steps. You can also assign team members to the card for better collaboration. Use labels to categorize tasks for easy identification. Click on the Labels option to create color-coded tags. You can also upload attachments or add links to important documents. Now, let's explore how to move cards between lists. Simply drag and drop a card from one list to another as the task progresses. This visual movement helps in tracking the status of each task. To automate repetitive tasks, you can use Trello's Butler feature. Click on the Automation button at the top of your board. Here, you can set up rules to automate actions based on triggers. For example, you can assign a due date to automatically move a card to the In Progress list. Make sure to customize your workflow to fit your team's needs. Regularly review your board to adjust any tasks or priorities. Encourage your team to comment on cards for better communication. Utilize Trello's reporting tools to assess project progress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.